In this way, we have completed the full process of landing page construction, AI tool integration, and payment integration, and can run it through completely in the local environment. Next, we need to deploy this project online so that global users can access and use it quickly and securely. We enter the Tencent Cloud EdgeOne console. Then click the pages. It is recommended to use the Import Git repository mode. This way, when we update website content by modifying code later, this mode supports automatic redeployment, reducing repetitive deployment workload. The specific steps are divided into 2 steps. Step 1 is submitting code. Taking GitHub as an example, we first click Repository in our GitHub account and click New to create a new repository. Input the repository name, such as EOAI. Then pay attention to selecting Private Repository. To prevent everyone from seeing it, then click Create. After creation, copy the repository link. Return to cursor and open the terminal to push the code to the code repository just created. We can execute the following commands in order. Note that we need to connect to the Git remote server, so we need to input the GitHub repository link we copied earlier here. Then change the name to that of a repository we have already created. Then we push the local records to the remote server. An error will occur here, but we can also adopt another approach. Directly in cursor, click here and upload. Let's try again, and then we successfully uploaded the local code to the GitHub repository. This brings us to the second step. We need to refresh the page. The second step is Pages Platform Deployment. Let's enter the EdgeOne Pages console, select Import Git repository, locate the project repository just created, and complete the association. Subsequently, you need to configure the project name, acceleration, region, etc. The project name is already filled in by default. As the repository name for the acceleration region, we will first choose the global MLC excluded. Then we will temporarily not configure the environment variables and deploy the website first. After clicking Deploy, we can obtain a domain name in the project setting. His domain name is used for subsequent public access. We need to use this domain name to modify some of our previous settings. For example, in Stripe's webhook, we need to modify the recipient URL. It's important to note, be sure to retain the suffix API webhook. Then save the recipient URL. Then in Supabase, we also need to make settings. Click Authentication and then click URL Configuration. Here you need to configure both the site URL and the redirect URL of the website. Copy the link we just created. Note that the redirect URL also has the suffix auth callback. After completion, go back to the cursor environment. In the end local file, the variable public app URL also needs to be modified to the page's domain name. Finally, after configuring the environment variables, we can completely copy all environment variables from the env local file into the console's environment configuration bar. In the project settings, locate the environment variables and copy them over. After configuration, initiate a new deployment. Please wait for the deployment process to complete. After a brief wait, the project deployment is complete. Now we can see that Pages provides a public link, which you can click directly to preview or share with others. As we can see, all processes are now functioning correctly, but if we need to make the project truly go live, we are still missing one last step, which is configuring a custom domain to strengthen brand image and SEO effects. Click Project Settings on the left. In the EdgeOne Pages console, add your own domain in the Domain Management module if here. Automatic generation of a free certificate is checked by default. Next, follow the prompts to configure a CNAME record at your DNS provider. After configuration and validation are passed, the system will automatically configure an SSL certificate for the domain to ensure data transmission security. Regarding the specific operations of domain configuration, we can also see clear operation guides in the Pages documentation. EdgeOne Pages offers an efficient solution to empower the global expansion of AI tools with this streamlined approach. Stay tuned to the channel, where we unbox the latest Tencent Cloud product capabilities for you every month.